Right, so first of all, if you spill anything on your actual power supply, it is completely wiped clean, so you can just use a bit of water and just wipe it completely clean. If you've got colour left in the airbrush after using, then pour it back into the tub. So with water, or even better, the airbrush cleaning solution, put that into your cup and then spray all of your colour out. You repeat this until all the colour's gone. If you cover the end where the needle is, and this gives a more thorough clean. A better way even still is to use this airbrush cleaning station by Spectrum Flow. This is the best possible way to clean your airbrush. You just take that little filter and pop it in there, and this cap on top. It comes like this, but I'm just showing you. And then you place your airbrush into the holder there and just press down on the trigger and it'll clean it all out. Then you'll see that the water is running clean. If you want to give the airbrush a deep clean, then you can take all these components apart and soak them all in warm water.